Okay. My pleasure to be your tour guide this morning. And this is our boss, Mr. Juan. You can, Mr. Juan and our manager, Evelyn. Okay. So before I go any further, I'd like to have your attention about some regulation in our bus. Okay. Firstly, please in the bus. Okay. And secondly, please help us to keep the bus clean. Therefore, no drinks, no food inside our bus. Okay?
Okay.
But the still water is an exception. Okay, you can drink water, but no coffee, no coke.
Okay.
And lastly, the most important, that means please be punctual. That means every time when we have a walking tour, I will tell you how long we are going to stay there and what time you have to come back.
Okay.
If you are late, maybe only 1 more minute for allowance, and after that you can go home by yourself. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so please keep this, and then that's all. And lastly, also be safe. Okay.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
be safe. Okay, and take care of yourself. Every time when we step down or step up in the bus, take care. Don't be hurt. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And now I'd like to give you some idea about today's program. Okay. The first sightseeing point we are going is Bauhinia Square.
Okay, in one
supposed
side.
to be the most important tourist attraction in Hong Kong, because this is also a symbol of Hong Kong, the Bauhinia. So, as you know, we have our city flower, Bauhinia flower, and this month, March, is the flower season for Bauhinia. So you can see many beautiful flowers. And if you don't understand what is called Bauhinia flower, you can have your corns, the Hong Kong corns, at the back of the corn you can see the flower. Okay. So also have a payment money. Anybody have $100? I can show you. Free. Can you show me? Sorry, I'm no hand to take my money out. Okay.
Sana all may 100.
There's a flower. There's a Bauhinia flower. Okay, can you see that? Very pretty. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, so this is just for fun.
嚟嗰張啊，嚟1、2。
Meet my new friend. Anong pangalan niyo? Cathy, Jenny Lynn, OEC friend. Hi, beautiful. Another OEC. Ang cute niya.
Well, thank you very much. Everybody, wait for 5 minutes. It's forgivable, because this is the first time. So next time,
Next destination.
next place, you have to come back on the camera, okay? And our next stop is going to up to the Victoria.
Sino gusto mag-toilet? Toilet tayo.
Ayun ang daming tao dun, no, sa taas.
Teka lang ha. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Okay.
Okay, okay. One, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Beautiful day.
就塞一边先，不用点，一堆人。嗰個主人房係冇攞住圍。
There's the tram going down, going to Central.
Yan ang gusto kong sakyan. Hindi pa ako nakasakay niyan. Papunta dito. Sana pag may kasama.
Nasakyan ko na yan.
Budget. Yan, ano na
Ang ating mga ka-OEC friends.
Pero just i-maintain mo lang yung good grades. Ako din, good grades din. Para mayroon din ako. Laki guess. Buti na lang, marami na tayo, hindi lang tayo tatlo.
Yan ang ating mga ka-friends.
Also some things over there.
Princess, gusto mo daw yung like sabi ni mama. Sa top. Bigyan kita.
Rice, okay. And what else you say? Cheese.
Ito ang lunch namin. Yes? Wala pa silang lunch. Eat well, guys.
Dali, malaki ko ba yan?
Serve for the last daw yun sa'yo.
Awan naman ako, iniwan ako.
Nice choice. Machi.
Siyempre, ako pa. Hindi naman obvious sa katawan ko, di ba?
Machi.
Not really obvious in my belly.
Sarap. Wow. Yummy. Nice choice. Ayan. Dalagang Pilipina kung sumubo.
Ako hindi. Dalaga lang.
Sarap ng choices nyo.
Pero ang nabasa ko, fried spring onion. Wala naman
May lunch namin. Going for the next destination. Bye-bye!
Pinapicturean mo yung
Ang aming gwapong tour guide. Oh. Finish our lunch. Finish our lunch. Ayan sila.
sabi nga ng ano.
Yan. We're going to our next destination. Tapos na yung aming lunch.